Boosting our understanding of bilingual education, a refresher on philosophy and models. Bilingual education is a simple label, its formal definition not difficult to understand. However, it is not an education strategy that is easy to operationalize. A school that has not implemented a bilingual program before, or wants to improve its current bilingual education offerings to students, may engage in a search of the literature for a sensible-sounding, well-articulated model to adopt. Another school may actually visit program sites in search of the same. Both endeavors often yield frustrating results. The probable reason? The model is not understood or schools discover that its settings are drastically different. A better approach to establish an appropriate program would be for educators to first engage in careful study of the key features and underlying principles of bilingual education models, noting specifically the non-negotiable aspects that must be in place in order to achieve the stated outcomes of the model. Second, it would be useful to carefully assess and become very familiar with the local circumstances, requirements and aims of the school and community, resources, etc., to determine which model would be most effective. Finally, a model must not only be adopted but also adapted to the unique characteristics of the school. The challenge of this step is to shape a local program that is appropriate without violating the non-negotiable or critical features of the model. This latter process is indeed a challenging one, as it involves bringing together diverse perspectives and understandings, but it must be accomplished in order to be true to the goals of bilingual education and bilingualism.